Hello people, so here is your host Dr. Rebank with yet another video of the race bars. But this time we have come up with something different, like the downloaded apps. Who doesn't like a good frenzy nowadays? But back in the days we know that yes, those were the days, hard work forever pays. Just trying to be a bit witty, Sorry, pardon me. So the thing goes like this, that here you can see the race bars, and there are different kind of applications right here. For those of you Gen X kids, of course you know that. For those of you millennials, yeah, these are the things that we used to live by. So Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Angry Bird, Torch, kind of a touch right there, and Messenger, Candy Crush, Instagram, Hangout, Snapchat, and Skype. You guys remember how we used to have those Skype IDs? Well, I guess many of you still do. But as for me, I've not been using much Skype now. However, given the condition of the recent scenarios, I think that the video calling software is a real blessing. Else, how would you be having your online classes? That's such a fun, right? So here you can see that different applications are lined up right here, and we have always loved to load our phones with these applications, such as this Facebook. Yeah, of course, Facebook. Here you can see that YouTube and Facebook are going neck to neck. However, it's 2014, but WhatsApp hasn't caught up to these giants, right? But then again, in 2018, a Times article was published in 2008 to be correct, and an article was published in Time saying that is there anyone ever who's going to beat Nokia? And fast forward to 2018, better yet 2020, and we know who's the boss. Yeah, you Android or Apple users can go at each other's necks trying to find out who's the best, but that's the reality. The world, internet has shaped and revolutionized many things around us, and it has been pretty interesting what has been happening around us. Right now, people use Facebook solely, when it comes to social media rules now. Everybody wants to get connected, and Facebook might have just tapped right on that vein. So here they are. They are the fastest growing community, and still they are not going to stop. But yeah, you see that, yes, YouTube is starting up, and yeah, it goes up, YouTube goes up. They're just going neck to neck with each other, and again Facebook goes up. So, oh my god, Facebook took a boost. It's going hard, yeah, we can see that, okay. And now WhatsApp and YouTube are going neck to neck. Can we see a winner here? Oh my god, YouTube is catching up with Facebook. What's going on? Oh yeah, WhatsApp in the line too. And yeah, you use messengers. That's good. Hangouts? Oh yeah, of course. Who doesn't remember Hangouts? Catchy things and emojis all of the way. And yeah, all of your friends out there, Instagram. Who doesn't check out Instas? They can have your Insta. So you know, story of my life, sorry. Not to bore you with it, here's your favorite game, Candy Crush. This game literally was so hard back in the day. The game used to literally crush every other game. Every single person out there was just playing Candy Crush. Even right now, people are playing. Yeah, I don't play this game that much, just COD or MW3 or things like that. But yeah, it's pretty much worth the hype. So, as we're talking, we're seeing Facebook and YouTube now in big numbers, man, in big numbers. These Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messengers, it's gone. I mean, well then again, here comes the question. Will somebody ever be able to catch up with Facebook? I don't know that. So, this is the top free downloading apps and we are just moving from 2012 to 2020. Yeah, you can also see Angry Bird here. That sound that game made. Yeah, that was a cute game. And those green pigs were something to take care of if they were any. And yeah, don't know, but some people really wanted to download Torch, right? Why, man? Come on. Yeah, Skype's the same, so there's nothing much to say about it. And still, we're going to get our classes through the Skype, through software such as Zoom and others. So there we go. The red bar at YouTube is like, oh my god, it's 2018 and YouTube is, like, I mean, come on. This is seriously, dude, what's happening right here? The world is revolving like that and these giants have just caught up on us. There's nothing we can do about it. However, yeah, Instagram is also now seeing 2s and hangouts and 3s and 4s. That's something. Fun fact, who's the number 1 celebrity on Insta? It's year 7. Don't worry, messy boys, he's going to catch up soon. Yeah, so Snapchat is here again. This is something that you should know. Snapchat, bro. What's your Snap, bro? I'm not to be saying about that. So these are the applications such as YouTube and WhatsApp and Facebook and messengers. People try to connect with each other, and that's how it is now. And these are the softwares or the applications, to be precise, that you can use to get connected with each other. Now, who doesn't know the name of these applications? Everybody has them on their phones, and everybody loves them. You can imagine, especially now these days, that what would our life would be if we didn't have these things to connect. So, it takes too much time to collect this data. So please subscribe to our channel. And this is your host signing off, Dr. Ivan. See ya. Click on the red button.